in the height of the NFT land. It is worth $19,000 today. 60 million to 19,000. It felt good during that time, didn't it? Everybody was like, we're making money. We've got all this extra stuff. But what actually happened is we bought things at overpriced assets, and now we're left with assets that are underpriced. The opposite happens in this market. And so right now is the time, I think, to put up your little spidey sense and start saying, well, everybody else is panicking. Where can I start to make some smart moves? Because there's always money and opportunities, but definitely you want to buy when things are on sale.
Should people even be dreaming or thinking about wanting to own a home anymore?
I think that owning a home as an investment right now today is mathematically not a smart decision. For the first time in my lifetime, the numbers say that homes today, well, you have an interest rate of 5 to 8%. You have a 3 million home shortage in the US. You have flat wages, and you have this increase of home prices. The math just isn't mathing. And so today, I don't think you should feel like you're not an adult. You don't live the American dream. You're a failure if you don't buy a house. You might actually just be really financially intelligent. Rent and go negotiate your rent prices right now, by the way, because there's a lot of excess in the market. They want to keep you. And you might actually be making an incredibly smart financial decision. And so don't let people make you feel bad if you're not doing what the American dream adult thing used to be. The market's changed.
You've already shared some really powerful advice for right now. Like even the idea that now's a great time to go and negotiate your rent. Now's a great time to go and think about finding places to potentially purchase property if you are.
Yep.
What should be people thinking about doing right now when it comes to making money that you couldn't have been doing a year ago that's very different now?
Yeah, it's a great question. Well, first, what I would think about today is I think you got to first understand some like baseline financial literacy. And you and I were talking about this. You know, they say the average American reads at a 6th grade reading level. They say the average American actually understands finances at about a high school level. So we're taught, and you remember this in high school, we're taught all the way up to like budgeting. Like back in our day, probably the kids don't do it this way anymore, but you used to have checkbooks. Right now everybody knows how old I was, and you have to like balance your checkbook. And how do you do that? A little ledger. That's actually where we're capped.